This is the guide by Sprintzeal to learn about new technology trends in 2022. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. AI is well known for its dominance in speech, face and image recognition applications, navigation, smartphone personal assistants, ride and sharing apps much more. On the other hand, AI can also provide some of the highest pay rates in the present, which range from $125,000 annually, machine engineering, to $125,000, AI architect, to $150,000 annually. Robotic process automation, RPA. Similar to AI as well as machine learning, robotic process automation, also known as RPA, is a different technology that automatists jobs. These positions are well-paying. An RPA developer could earn more than $534K annually. Edge computing. Edge computing was designed to resolve the issues mentioned above to eliminate the slowdowns caused by cloud computing, and to transfer files to the center to process. It could be located on the edge, or closer to the place where computation needs. In these scenarios, edge computing could be used as many data centers. It is anticipated to expand as the use is increased by Internet of Things (IoT) devices. In 2022, the global industry of edge computing is predicted to be $6.72 billion. Internet of Things. Internet of Things, IoT, another latest trend that is gaining momentum in the field of technology is IoT. A lot of things are now being produced every day using a Wi-Fi connection. This means that you can connect them to the internet and one another. It is said that the Internet of Things will be the next thing and has already allowed devices such as automobiles, home appliances, and many more to be connected and exchange information over the internet. 5G technology. The next era of technology that will be following the IoT is 5G. While 3G and 4G technology allow us to surf the web as well as use data-driven services, increase the bandwidth that allows streaming to Spotify and YouTube, and more. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Sprintzeal.